In this video, I'll guide you through how to add Acuity scheduling to Instagram. This is an incredibly useful tool for businesses and professionals who want to make scheduling appointments easy for their clients directly through Instagram. Let's dive right in. First things first, you need to have your Acuity scheduling account set up. If you haven't done so yet, go ahead and create an account and get everything ready there. Once you're in your Acuity dashboard, what you want to do is locate your direct scheduling link. This is crucial because it's the link that your clients will use to book appointments. To find this, head over to the client scheduling page in your dashboard. From there, navigate to the general page. You should see an option for your direct link URL. Go ahead and copy this link to your clipboard. This is the magic link that you'll be sharing on Instagram. Now let's switch gears and open up Instagram. Once you're logged in, head straight to your profile. You'll see an option to edit your profile. Tap on that. This is where you can add all sorts of information about yourself or your business, but today we're going to focus on adding your scheduling link. In the edit profile section, you'll find a field that says website or link. This is where you'll paste your Acuity direct scheduling link. Simply click into that field and paste the link you copied earlier. Double check to make sure the link is correct. It's always a good idea to test the link to ensure it's working properly. You wouldn't want potential clients to click on a broken link. Once you've pasted the link, you can save your changes. And there you have it. Your Acuity scheduling link is now live on your Instagram profile, ready for your clients to book appointments with you directly. This seamless integration allows you to manage your bookings efficiently while offering a professional experience to your clients. A handy tip: consider making a post or a story on Instagram to inform your followers that they can now book appointments directly through your profile. This can help drive traffic and encourage more bookings. And that's it. You've successfully added Acuity scheduling to your Instagram profile, making it easier than ever for your clients to book appointments with you. This integration is a fantastic way to streamline your scheduling process and maximize your reach on social media. Thank you for joining me in this tutorial. I hope you found it helpful. Be sure to subscribe for more tips on optimizing your social media presence. See you in the next video.